Trading on the surface seems like the perfect gateway to financial freedom. The allure of making quick money from your phone, the stories of traders turning thousands into millions, and the apparent simplicity of the process can be enticing. But behind these glamorous success stories lies a much darker reality. For many, trading can become an obsession, and that obsession can ruin lives. Today, let's explore how trading, when misunderstood or mishandled, can destroy not only finances but mental health, relationships, and overall well being. The illusion of quick riches at first glance. Trading seems easy. Platforms market themselves as accessible to everyone, and social media is filled with success stories of those who supposedly struck gold overnight. What they don't tell you is that 90% of day traders lose money. The majority who venture into trading are met with disappointment, and as losses pile up, many continue to trade, hoping to recover, falling deeper into the hole. The dream of quick riches transforms into a nightmare of debt and despair. Emotional roller coaster. The stock market is volatile. Watching your investments rise and fall by the minute can send you emotional into overdrive. That constant high and low cycle fuels greed and fear. You start obsessively checking prices, unable to detach from the swings. With every loss, there is a rush to recover. With every gain, there is a fear of losing it all. Over time, this emotional turbulence leads to anxiety, stress, and even depression. The excitement of trading morphs into a psychological battle. Addiction to risk trading, especially in volatile markets like cryptocurrencies, can be as addictive as gambling. The dopamine rush that comes from a successful trade can be exhilarating, but this high can lead to compulsive behaviors. You start to chase losses, doubling down on risky bets, believing that one big trade will fix everything. This addiction to risk can lead to devastating financial consequences, pushing individuals to the brink of financial collapse. Neglect of a personal life. As trading takes over, other aspects of life start to slip away. Relationships are neglected. Time once spent with family or friends is consumed by market analysis, chart reading, or monitoring prices. Conversations become dominated by market trends. Slowly, trading becomes all consuming, leaving no room for personal connections, hobbies, or relaxations. This isolation only deepens the emotional toll, and many traders find themselves estranged from loved ones, focused solely on financial recovery. Financial ruin. The most obvious consequence of trading gone wrong is financial ruin. Leverage, margin trading, and risky bets can wipe out accounts in days, if not hours. Savings that took years to accumulate can disappear in a flash. Some traders, desperate to stay in the game, turn to loans, credit cards, or even borrow from friends and family. But in most cases, the market doesn't forgive. The longer one stays in the game, the more likely they are to experience catastrophic losses, pushing them into debt or even bankruptcy. Mental health breakdown when the financial fallout happens. The mental breakdown soon follows. Trading losses can leave people feeling ashamed, worthless, and trapped. It is not just about the money they've invested, their time, emotions, and self worth into the process. The constant pressure, sleepless nights, and overwhelming regret can lead to severe anxiety, depression, or even suicidal thoughts. What started as a pursuit of financial freedom can ultimately lead to mental and emotional imprisonment. Trading isn't inherently evil when approached with caution, discipline, and solid understanding of risk. It can be a tool for financial growth. But for those who dive in without the proper knowledge, emotional control, or respect for the dangers involved, it can lead to disaster. It's crucial to recognize the risks, set boundaries, and understand that financial freedom isn't achieved through quick, high stakes gambles. Sometimes the price of chasing money can be far greater than we ever imagined.